Orderhive's export product detail function lets you download product details of all the products or selected products for any offline use. This can be further used for updating product details or verifying the details of products entered online. There are three ways in which you can export products. Option 1 is to select certain products and export their details. Option 2 is to filter certain products and export their details. Option 3 would be to obtain details of all products. To begin, go to Products page. Select certain products that you wish to get details for using single clicks. And click on Export button at the bottom. In the pop-up, select the term Selected Product and click on Export. You will receive a notification to download the file. Similarly, let's say you want to download products of a specific warehouse. You can filter products in the specified warehouse using filters given in the top row of the products page. Click on the parameter by which you want to filter and click on the values that you want to filter by, and then click on Export at the bottom. In the pop-up, select Filtered Products and click on Export. You will again receive a notification for downloading exported sheet. While, if you wish to download all the products without any filter or selection, simply click on Products page and Export button at the bottom. In the pop-up, select All Products and you will receive a similar notification. So that's as simple as it gets to export products from your Orderhive account. If you have any further questions, please click on the chat icon below to speak to our product expert. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks and keep watching.